So here we go again, yet more nuts and knuckleheads, and it's our old favourite, the Volkswagen Eos 2009. The headlights are pretty nasty, so I'm going to try one of these headlight restoration kits, and we'll see how that goes. Yeah, as you can see, things are pretty nasty down here. Actually, it's not the worst that I've ever seen, but it does significantly reduce the light output, and it's just nasty on rainy, dark days. So I'm going to try and clean these up, and hopefully this kit will work. Well, this is the scary bit for sure. I'll show you what I mean. This is after a few rounds of sanding with a 500 grit, which obviously is meant to take the majority of the problems out. And it looks not too bad, but I'm hoping that it's going to come better with the 800 and then the 3000 for sure. We'll see. So this is pretty much all of the gunk that was on the lenses erased off, and the same thing for this one. So I'm looking forward to getting the gunk on there, and we'll see where we go. So, done. The final verdict. Well, I'll let you be the judge. So this is the final verdict. Not brilliant, but a hell of a lot better than it was, that's for sure. Let's take a look at the other one. And the same. Let's hope that this translates to a lot more light coming out of these things, because they were pretty dismal. Anyway, there you go. Another successful job by Nuts and Knuckleheads.